Hello there. Today I'm looking at this old Bush radio from the 1950s. It has a bakelite case, and this one's in fairly good condition for its age. A painted surround, looks like a hammered effect, and the big dial, tuning dial on the front. On the side is the wave change switch from long to medium wave, and on this side is the off-on volume. To get into these things, I forgot to mention the model number. It's a Bush radio. It's a type DAC70, and it's AC or DC. That means it doesn't have a transformer inside. It uses a dropper resistor to drop the voltage. Not quite as safe as the transformer types. But anyway, let's have a look inside. First of all, to get inside, we've got to pull this front dial off, which is quite difficult, especially if it hasn't been off for a while. That's it. And also the marker here, that should just come off fairly easily. That's it. You can see here this there's some distortion here from the heat from the bulb inside. This is a common problem with these radios, and this one's quite bad actually. You can see that it just melts with the heat from the bulb. Just a design problem they had at the time. Now to get inside these, first of all, undo the screws. There's only 3 in this one. One's gone missing over the years. And there's another 4 or 5 inside to move the chassis from the case. You can see at the top here there's a handy space for carrying, and it is insulated inside. It's covered, so you won't be sticking your hand into any high voltage. This is the inside of it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valves. This is the dropper here. The voltage, mains voltage is dropped there to the required voltage for the heaters, the tube heaters. Up here you can see the bulb, which overheats and causes the dial to melt. Excuse me. We need to undo these 2 screws here, which hold the knobs onto the shafts of the controls. That's one. And the same here. As you can see, this is capacitor here, mains filter capacitor. Somebody's changed that at some point. You can see the solder's quite fresh. That was a common problem as well with these. Let's see if we can get the chassis out now. Oh, I forgot to do the screws, haven't I? Oh, there's one missing there, so that saved me a job there. The screws you need to remove are one in the corner there, one down here, one at the bottom, and one there, same as the other side. I see the rubber grommets here have perished over the years. They went hard and instead of being soft to help isolate the chassis from vibration. That should be loose enough now, I think. Yes, and the whole thing comes out. Just be careful you don't lose the screws. Sometimes the washer comes off as well, but that's okay. And so look at the front. Alright. Oh, look at the size of the bulb somebody's put in there. That's completely the wrong kind of bulb. That should be quite a small one. No wonder the dial's heated up. The size of that's a huge bulb. Yeah, that's out now. We'll get rid of that and replace it with the right kind. Yeah, you can see it's actually touching the metal plate there. And as you can see inside here, it's also caused the plastic to melt. That's why the dial has been distorted on the outside. Now with these, you would usually start with replacing this large capacitor here. It's a 3-in-1, I can't remember what the values are. You would replace that normally to get the set going. And all these black capacitors here, they're made by Hunt's in the 1950s. You would replace all these as well. Plus check these resistors are still in value. Any of these black capacitors, just change them, because they're usually leaky. And once you do that, you could plug the set in and it would probably work. And replacing it is just reverse, same as in reverse, to put the whole thing back again. And that's all I can say for this just now. I won't bother restoring this. I've got too much to do in other things, so I think I'll just put this one on eBay as spares or repair. Okay then, thanks for watching.